Yeah. Yeah. Chicks out there would like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it.
Alright guys, so I purchased these pillows and the cushion from Big Lots. And as you can see, they're very, very dirty. They've gotten stained and everything. And they do have zippers. They do have zippers. I think with this one, I could have possibly taken this off and washed it. However, I don't know. I wanted to do the same with these and I couldn't. And they match. And it's because this is just filled with stuffing. Like there's no actual pillow inside of this. So I decided to get some covers from Amazon to cover these and to kind of, you know, get it a cohesive look. So let's just see what the after looks like when I put those covers on. And then this right here, I got this from At Home, and this is also stained. I didn't get anything to cover this with. I may look into something, but for now, I think I can just get a water hose and kind of clean this off, and then put it back on. But yeah, it's a lot of dirt here, but I wanted to keep all of this in like the a black kind of look with the black and white striped rug. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like after.
Yeah. Yeah. Chicks out there would like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it. And I know you got it. If you're with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies, 'cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life. Here we go, here we go, here we go up. We're gonna rock this club till it blows up. Yeah, we're gonna live a good life. Yeah, we're gonna do it all night. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. I saw you when you passed me by, girl. Listen, baby, it ain't no lie, girl. And I can't deny that your sexy little booty caught my eye, girl. Listen, you don't have to be the shy, girl. I'm not a player, no, I'm not the guy, girl. Listen, yeah, I know that we could fly up in the sky. A place we could try, girl. Yeah, you know that I've been around this time, look up and down for some to play with. Yeah, I know I finally found you, girl. I know I found you, girl. You got me. The good life, the good life, the good life, the Yeah. Yeah. Shooting's out there, we like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it. And I know you got it. If you're with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on this side say, and all my fellas on this side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies, 'cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life. Here we go, here we go, here we go up. We're gonna rock this club till it blows up. Yeah, we're gonna live the good life. Yeah, we're gonna do it all night.
Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life.
I saw you when you passed me by, girl. Listen, baby, it ain't no lie, girl. And I can't deny that your sexy little booty caught my eye, girl. Listen, you don't have to be the shy, girl. I'm not a player, no, I'm not the guy, girl. Listen, yeah, I know that we could fly up in the sky. At least we could try, girl. Yeah, you know that I've been around this time, look up and down for some to play with. Yeah, I know I finally found you, girl. I know I found you, girl. You got me.
Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life.
Alright, my berries, so that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, but look how fabulous this looked just by getting pillow covers. I shopped my house. I actually got these here from, this is my coffee. I get my cold brew coffee, and I just thought these were really nice to hang on to. And who knew that you could just put these out and it adds something to the decor on the table. I got this basket from Goodwill. These the greenery was from a garage sale, and I just had some candles that laying around the house. The lanterns that you saw here on the side tables are from Hobby Lobby, and I got those on sale for, like, I don't know, I think they were like $4 or something like that. Didn't cost very much, and I got those when I guess, you know, they had things on the clearance, and so that's where I found those. I normally have those on my front porch, but I thought they would add they would add something to this decor out here. And then again with these pillows, these pillows right here, these covers are also from Amazon, and I will have the link for all of this below so that you guys can get ready for the Memorial Day weekend, because the Memorial Day weekend is coming up, and then after that we got the 4th of July and just summer overall. So you want to have your area looking nice and inviting, and you want it to be clean, and that's why I got these covers, because I wanted to be able to take these off, wash them, put them away, and then when I'm ready to bring them back out, I can, because everything will be nice and clean. And I love, 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 love the way all of this looks. Again, I actually bought this mat. This is an outdoor mat, and I bought the black and white striped mat also from At Home, along with those lanterns and things like that. And I just think it just looks so good out here. Like, it's very inviting. I want to sit out here for a little bit longer, you know, and just have a good time. And so when my guests come over, they'll feel the same way. They don't feel like they're sitting on something yucky. You know, my brother and my sister-in-law were over here a couple of weekends ago, and I was like, oh my God, I'm so embarrassed. Like, of course they're gonna want to sit outside. It was nice weather, and it wasn't looking so well. So anyway, I say all of that to go ahead and get your covers, honey, from Amazon. They have all different sizes, but for me, it was really difficult to find these exact sizes, because I got this, again, I got the cushions from Big Lots, and the pillow, the actual pillow itself, is just stuffed with cotton, so I couldn't take that out to wash it. And I do believe that some of those stains that were on that on those covers were from like grease stains and stuff like that from my husband did some cooking and it just kind of like went all over the place. So yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed bringing it to you. I've been wanting to do this for a while. We've been having rainy weather, and I actually got a day where I can actually put all this stuff out and see how it's going to look, and I'm very excited. And if you are too, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you think of everything. And of course, don't forget to share. Why? Because sharing is caring, and my name is Karen, and I would love for you to do so because you could be helping somebody else out. So go ahead and share it on your Facebook and your Instagram. You know, just give them the link, honey child, and just tell them she put the link down below. You can go to Amazon, click on that link, and buy them, and you're done. There's no more shopping. So yes, and then they had them in all different types of colors too. So if black is not what you're looking for, you can always find the color that you need on Amazon. They have tons of colors. All right, guys. Thank you again for tuning in. I hope to see you soon. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.